This AI tool will replace all your subscriptions. I stopped paying for 5 different AI tools after trying this. Yes, you heard that right. One tool that can do it all. This is Genspark, a rising Silicon Valley AI platform that combines multiple top AI models and tools into one system designed for real productivity. Now, I know every week there's a new AI that changes everything, but this one actually feels different because of how it handles complete tasks, not just prompts. Let's break it down with real-life scenarios so you can see what I mean. But first, what is Genspark? Instead of being just another AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Genspark is an AI workspace. That means it doesn't only respond, it helps you with research topics, create presentations, build documents, generate visuals, summarize meetings, analyze data, and even automate certain workflows. It also uses multiple AI systems behind the scenes like Claude, Gemini, GPT, and others. So instead of relying on one model, it selects the best one for the task. Think of it like having a research assistant, designer, analyst, and writer all working together in one place. Let me give you a quick overview of the Genspark homepage. At the center, you have the main chat interface, and right away you can see all the different AI agents available for specific tasks, like creating slides and presentations, generating documents, AI design, and even music. Then there's Genspark Claw,
which basically acts like your very own AI assistant.
Genspark Claw connects directly to the platforms your team already uses, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and more. You can simply message it what you need done, whether that's researching a topic, drafting a client update, scheduling a meeting, managing emails, making calls, or even deploying code. Genspark Claw handles every step and delivers the finished result back to you, so there's no app switching, just results. They've also introduced Genspark Claw for desktop, a native desktop client that brings the full power of Genspark Claw directly to your local machine. Unlike the web version, it can directly access and operate your local system. Another section on the homepage is the Workflow tab, where you can view all your workflows and automate different repetitive tasks like email cleanup, YouTube channel analysis, brand performance monitoring, and much more. And finally, Genspark also has a long list of both basic and advanced AI agents, and they pretty much cover all the necessary tasks someone might need to get done. Overall, everything is organized in a simple way. One feature I found really useful in Genspark for work is the Docs feature. You simply click on Docs, and from there you can create all kinds of professional documents in seconds. To test it out, I gave Genspark a simple prompt. Write a case study for a brand that increased sales by 200% using influencer marketing. And I could choose between different creation modes, like rich or ultra mode, depending on how detailed or advanced I want the document to be. Within seconds, Genspark generated a full professional-looking case study, with proper structure, headings, and well-organized content. And the best part is, once the document is generated, you can edit it directly on the web inside Genspark, or simply download it as a Microsoft Word file and continue working on it offline. But one Genspark feature that really stands out for work is Genspark for Word. With this, you don't need to keep switching tabs between AI tools and your Word document anymore. You can bring Genspark directly inside your Microsoft Word workflow. All you have to do is download Genspark for Word, open it inside Microsoft Word, sign in, and start editing right there in your document. So whether you need help writing, editing, brainstorming, or restructuring content, you can do it all without leaving Word. And this feature is also available across commonly used Microsoft Office apps like Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel, making it easier than ever to create presentations, manage spreadsheets, and get work done more efficiently. Another really cool Genspark feature is its workflow automation. I simply clicked on the Workflows tab and selected the pre-built email cleanup workflow. Then I gave it a prompt like, every Sunday morning, clean up my Gmail inbox by deleting spam, unsubscribing from unnecessary promotional emails, and organizing important emails into relevant folders. And within seconds, Genspark automatically started building the workflow for me. All I had to do next was authorize access to my Microsoft Outlook or Gmail account. And that was it. Once connected, I could run a trial to test how it works, and then schedule it to run automatically every Monday, or any day I want. It's a really simple way to automate repetitive tasks and save time without doing everything manually. You can also build your own custom workflows from scratch, so if the pre-built options don't match exactly what you need, you can create a personalized automation tailored to your specific tasks and routine. However, one of the most powerful features inside Genspark is Genspark Claw.
And honestly, this is where the platform starts feeling like a real AI assistant rather than just a tool.
The idea is simple. Instead of installing complex automation systems or switching between multiple apps, you get your own AI assistant that runs inside a dedicated cloud environment called the Genspark Cloud Computer. Now, what makes it really powerful is how it connects directly to the tools you already use every day. Tools like WhatsApp, Telegram, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and more. Instead of opening different apps, you can simply send a message like, "Research competitors in my niche and send me a summary report." Now, there's also a desktop version of Genspark Claw, which makes things even more advanced. Unlike the web version, this one can directly interact with your local system. All you have to do is download Clause for desktop and install it. And here you go. This basically turns it into a hands-on assistant that can operate across both your computer and the web. Another useful tool in the ecosystem is Speakly, a voice dictation and AI writing assistant, converting speech into clean, structured text, meaning you can speak naturally and it turns your words into polished emails, messages, or documents. For example, instead of typing a long email, you can just speak it, and Speakly will remove filler words, fix structure, and format it professionally. It even supports real-time translation and meeting notes, making it useful for communication-heavy work. Overall, this combination of Claw and Speakly shows you how Genspark is trying to build a full productivity ecosystem, not just AI chat, but AI execution. In conclusion, these are just some of the standout features of Genspark. What really makes it interesting is that it takes a multi-approach to productivity. Instead of focusing on just one function, it brings everything together in a single platform. From image generation and brand management to workflow automation, document creation, and business task handling. Genspark is designed to support almost every part of your work process. Rather than switching between multiple tools, it tries to centralize everything in one AI-powered workspace, where you can simply assign tasks and get results efficiently. So if you're curious about how it fits into your own workflow, it's definitely worth giving it a try and exploring what it can do for you firsthand.